Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everyone. On this occasion, Group 6 will present about the topic error analysis. This Next slide, please. Okay, the title that we will deliver is about an error analysis of written English paragraph at lexical, synthetic, and paragraph level made by Thai EFL non-English major student. Journal 3L Southeast Asian Journal of English Language Studies, Volume 20, Number 2, page 96 to 108, year 2020. 22. Author Hasak and Chuen Chan Chon. Reviewer me, Aidin Hasan, Imratul Khairati, Irfan Zaluhu, and Sri Wahyuningsih. Date of the reviewer is November 1, 2020. Okay. The next presentation will present by Sri Wahyuningsih. So Sri Wahyuningsih, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. So the first part is introductions. English writing plays an important role in second language or L2 academic settings. Writing is the process of transforming a writer's thoughts into language that requires many important elements, for example, vocabulary, grammar, and rhetoric, making errors unavoidable. While second language writing and various error types can be commonly made by second language learners. It is crucial for Thai EFL learners to have good writing skills, especially in academic settings. Second language writing learners are likely to make many kinds of errors when they write in English. Error analysis can help to know about learners' language ability and what they have learned. So the next is research question of this article. The first is, what are the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the lexical level in their EFL writing class? And the second research question is, what are the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the synthetic level in their EFL writing class? And the last is, what are the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the paragraph level in their EFL writing class? The next part is research aims. There are three research aims. The first is to examine the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the lexical level in their EFL writing class. Number two is to examine the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the syntactic level in their EFL writing class. And the last is to examine the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the paragraph level in their EFL writing class. And the next part is research method. So in this article, the participants were Thai EFL writing learners who chose to study English as their minor subject. Their English proficiency was between lower and intermediate, and they were chosen by purposive sampling. In this study, all participants were asked to do a writing test, which was handwritten, not typed. They were instructed to write an expository paragraph of 150 until 170 words. This let them reveal their writing ability and also their writing errors. The written scripts were then collected for further analysis. And after the data was collected, each paragraph was examined word by word, sentence by sentence, and paragraph by paragraph in order to find out types and numbers of errors. For the analysis at the paragraph level, the textbook Writing to Communicate One Paragraphs by Bergman 2008 was used as the main text for this study. Think that's all for me. Back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sriwayaningsi. For the next presentation will be delivered by Irfan Zaluhu. To Irfan Zaluhu, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. The research question, the first research question is what are the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the lexical level in their EFL rating class? Spelling was found to be the most common type of error among EFL rating learners. The percentage is 22.40%, followed by errors of prepositions 20.13%, word choice 17.70%, and article 16.19%. A study conducted by Hussein in 2019 investigated South female English major students' errors in English essays and found that spelling was the most frequently committed error. Next. The second research question is what are the most frequent errors made by Thai EFL non-English major students at the synthetic level in their EFL rating class? Capitalization was the most common type of errors committed by Thai EFL learners at the sentence level. It was followed by errors of singular or plural, 17.13%, punctuations, fragment or subject of verb omission, 12.58%, and subject verb agreement, 6.85%. The cause of these error types may be that capitalization and punctuation are not used in Thai sentence. As a result, Thai learners with incomplete knowledge of English grammar might make these errors. The findings of this study are different from the found by C. C. Sendon 2016, who compared error types made by first, second, and third year English major students at Champasak University in Laos. The reason for this might be due to Thai language interference. Verbs were found to be the most frequently committed errors by all three groups of students. Next. The third question, what are the most frequent errors made by Thai FL non-English major students at the paragraph level in their EFL writing class? The results show that errors in semantics and good coherence, 19.05%, were the most common types of errors, followed by errors in the topic, 16.85%, errors in major and minor supporting sentences, 12.09%, were made equally. These findings go parallel with the findings of Murad and Halil 2015, who conducted a study investigating errors in English writings by Arab students. The discussion of pedagogical implications for second language learning and teaching. Teachers can use the lessons learned in this study to improve the writing skills of the EFL learners. Revision is critical, particularly in terms of checking for spelling, capitalization, singular or plural, punctuation, and subject verb agreement. Students should also pay attention to language use that might cause misunderstanding or miscommunication. That's all the result and discussion from this article. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Irfan Zaluhu, for deliver the material. And next part will present by Imrato Kairati. To Imrato Kairati, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The next is conclusion. The four most common error types were spelling, preposition, word choice, and articles. At the sentence level, the four most frequently committed errors were capitalization, singular plural, punctuation, and fragment subject or verb omission. Error in semantics, good coherence, presenting a good and interesting topic, and good use of cohesive device were the most common types of error. Next, please. The next critical review. This article discusses the writing error of Thai student when learning in writing class. In this article, he has a clear structure where there is an introduction, method, result, and discussion, and also a conclusion, as well as adding pedagogical implication in L2 learning and teaching. However, the researcher might be able to provide an explanation regarding the finding obtained based on restriction given on the topic at hand. Overall, this article is very good because it provides suggestions for future research using the same method. Next, please. The next is gap and future research. The author recommends conducting qualitative research by interviewing E-level writing learners in order to explicit their perception on the writing process and error sources. Since the scope of this present study was on investigating error in paragraph writing, it is recommended to conduct another study to examine error in various types of writing, such as descriptive, narrative, persuasive, and argumentative writing. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Imrato Karati. So that's all about the material that was present by Group 6. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.